Welcome to my channel viewers. Today I am going to show you how to make a designer placket with silk stitches. Viewers, in this video I am using two type thread. This is silk thread and this is simple. I would use silk thread in the bobbin and the same color simple thread would be used on the upper part of the machine, and this anchor thread would be used to make the cross stitch on the end of the lines. Now fill the silk thread on the bobbin. I have already set it. Now loose the screw and set it with machine. Now the simple thread I would use on the upper part of the machine and tight the tension like this. Because now firstly I would draw the lines on the placket. I have already set it on the fabric. Firstly I would draw the line on the center of the placket, leaving 2-inch gap on the upper side and 3-inch gap on the lower side. I will draw the line on the center of the placket like this. Now I will draw 2 more lines along the center line, leaving 1/4 inch margin like this. Viewers, as you can see, I have drawn the lines. Viewers, these two lines is 1 inch less than the center line on both sides. Now I will start making the silk stitches on these lines. Viewers, now I will start stitching. Viewers, before starting here, leave the extra thread like this. I will stitch here from the center line. Now I will repeat this. Viewers, I would stitch here 4 to 5 times. Viewers, I have stitched the center line. Now I would stitch on the both lines. Viewers, before starting, leave the extra thread like this. Viewers, I would also stitch here 5 times. Viewers, now set the extra thread in needle like this. Now pull the thread inside like this, and now tightly secure it like this. Use same like I would secure all the threads. Because now I would make a cross stitch on the end of the lines with this anchor thread. I have already set it in the big needle like this, so I would start stitch here. Now tightly secure it on the other side. Now cut it. So one side is done. Now I would make a cross stitch on the other side. Viewers, the placket design is ready. Now for making design on the collar, I would draw a line on the center of the collar like this. Leaving 1 inch gap from both sides. Because now I draw a second line which is in the upper side of the collar, leaving 1/4 inch margin from the center line. Because now I will mark here and here. This is the center part of the collar. I will draw a line. I will draw a straight line from this point to this point. This is the center area of the collar. Because now leaving 1 inch gap from this corner, I will make a curve shape like this. Because now I will draw a third line, leaving 1/4 inch margin from the center line. Now I will mark here and here. I will draw it from here to here in straight shape. Now I would make a shape like this. Because I have drawn the lines, now the design would be stitched on these lines. Because now I'll start stitch on the center line. Because now I will make a cross stitch on the end of the lines, and after stitching the kameez I will show you its final look. Now the same design would be stitched on the cuffs like this. Here's the full kameez ready. This is very simple and easy design. You can easily make it. Hope you will like it. If you like my video, then don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. So okay, till then, the next video.